Why are there not more people talking about pencil fidgets? It's time to add some fun to your 3D printing projects. This nifty little gadget is designed by 3D Master on printables.com. It's a fidget toy that attaches right to your pencil. Perfect for those moments when you need to keep your hands busy. Printing it? A breeze. I popped the files into my printer and a couple of hours later, voila! A perfectly spun fidget. The print quality was spot on with no hiccups. Functionality? It spins smoothly and attaches snugly to the pencil. Whether you're in class, at work, or just doodling at home, it's a fun little add-on. Design-wise? It's simple yet ergonomic, and adds a pop of fun to any pencil. Plus, it's durable. This thing can withstand some serious fidgeting. So, if you're looking to jazz up your stationery and have a nifty new toy, give the pencil fidget a go. Head over to printables.com and check it out. Happy printing!